how to add languages for your WordPress website. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to add languages for your WordPress website. To add multiple languages, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the sidebar, click on Plugin and then select New. Here, search for Multi-Language plugin. Select the G-type plugin and click on the Install button. Once the plugin is installed, click on the Activate button. Now click on Setting option below the GT Translate plugin. Here you will find a preview of plugin. You can change the widget display by clicking on the Widget Look drop-down. Select any display widget. In the Show in Menu drop-down, you can choose your widget's position. In the Language section, you can select the language for your website. Finally, click on Save Changes. Once you have added the plugin widgets to your website, you can test it by visiting your website in a different languages. Click on Language Switcher widget and select the language in which you want to translate your site. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.